Come with me, my crafty gardeners, as I prepare and clear out one of my garden beds. It is usually based on my time schedule that I have to do one box at a time. So we're just doing your basic clearing out the area. I have my favorite item I use to clear, which is the oscillating hoe. You can purchase this at any of your local hardware stores. It pulls the weeds right up with no strenuous work. All I have to do now is rake, collect, and get rid of all the weeds. Usually I like to clear out the garden bed, extend it out beyond the border area, which you can see I've moved all of the wood from my garden boxes. The garden logs are a temporary design, which we may end up changing in the future, but for now, this is what we have. After clearing out my whole area, each garden box will get some of the Zoo Compost dirt, which you guys have seen in the other videos that we picked up from the zoo. Each area will get a small amount of Zoo Compost, which will be rotated and mixed in with the garden soil that I am purchasing for each garden box as well, along with the original soil that has already been cultivated over the few years that I've been doing my garden. As you can see, the soil looks beautiful, rich, moist. Just a great add-on to give those additional nutrients that each garden needs. Since I'm not ready to plant my garden just yet, I am putting down a ground cover. This is an old tarp that I had held on to and just wanted to place it down to prevent any weeds from coming through as a type of barrier until I'm ready to go ahead and start putting the indoor seeds that I've grown out into the garden. What do you do to get your garden ready for the spring? I'd love to hear the comments. Can't wait to read them. Till the next video, happy gardening.